can be understood on various levels. It is for this reason that when we're speaking about the emptiness there are 5 levels. 5 levels is to understand the layers, different layers of the intrinsicality. So intrinsicality in the context of the characteristics, say a very stable characteristic. If this is how you understand its intrinsicality, so Buddhism doesn't reject it. It says, for example, the fire is to burn, and the liquid is to flow. Air is just float. So these are what is fire? If the fire is cold, it doesn't make fire. So where there's a fire, the characteristic is always burning, is always hot. So this fire and the characteristic of the hotness, these are always very closely intertwined. These two are tied together. So if this is how one understands the intrinsicality, then we're not rejecting the intrinsicality. So what is being rejected is the existence, intrinsicality in the sense of something which is totally independent of any other things. So therefore, from this context, let's say for example the cause and effect. Anything which is a cause should necessarily make sense by dependence on the effect. In the absence of the effect, something doesn't make sense to the cause. And the effect makes sense only if it is a cause. So these two are dependent. So this is how we understand the interdependency. Likewise, for example, like what the Professor Cicero said, from the boson, then the fermions came into being. So although the bosons with the very specific intrinsic quality of the specific spin, and the fermion with the again specific spin, so the fact that one comes from the other, which means cause-effect. The moment these two are cause-effect, there's the intrinsicality dissolves in the context of the fifth level, not in the first, second, third level, the 5th level. So there we need to be very precise. Say we need to be sympathetic to listening to as to what intrinsicality means in the context of the presenter's talk.